This is unboxing 2 scoops of Nail Couture. And this is the XXL Dazzling Beige Coffin, the 1, 2, 3 Go nail. Woo. This is the Dazzling Beige Almond and the 1, 2, 3 Go Soft Gel Nail Extensions. This is the Frozen Almond. Oh, those are pretty. The 1, 2, 3 Go Nail Extensions. Ooh. This is the 24 karat almond. Yo-yo still in the chair. Silly cat. The mini stiletto in clear. Obviously. Yeah, I've only got 60% battery life, so I don't know when this is shut off. Honey Peach Coffin. That's actually a pretty cool one. The Honey Peach has more of a pinkish hue. Honey Peach Almond. Ooh. Another Honey Peach Almond. Ew. They're cute. There they are. Eternal Beige Almond. Looks more pink outside of the lights in the camera. It's peach. I don't know why I picked it up to compare it. Like, Eternal Beige Almond compared to Dazzling Beige Almond. Same. It's more of a pink. But it's cute. Tell me it's not cute. Eternal Beige Almond. Let's just say they're making a list of what she's going to kidnap. I'm not looking. 24 karat gold almond. Dazzling Beige Almond. 1, 2, 3, 4 nails. That's all of them. Okay, I have had this box sitting next to me for a good week. And I have not. This is finally opening it. It's driving me nuts. Got some files, 100 files, and some 240 files. Nice. Never can go wrong with files. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's I just can't get it. It's just, oh yeah, it does. It did pick up the sparkle. Woo. Okay, fine. Leave me alone. I'm easily amused. Easily amused. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, wow. It really picks up. Yeah, my daughter is being the cameraman, and she is being as quiet as she possibly can. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, wow. And a red with gold glitter. Get your color. This is number 197. In the exclusive Nail Couture. I'm not too familiar with Nail Couture, Nail Couture, so look at that. That's some pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Precious Minerals, number 180. Oh, sorry. Precious Minerals, number 180. Oh, wow. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know where you're going. I'm standing here and you're just floating that way. I'm trying to keep up with you. Float back this way. All right. Some crystal clear acrylic. I've been wanting to try this out. As a matter of fact, I bought some of this clear acrylic. Can't speak. Clear acrylic. Oh my goodness. I can't spit it out. This is missing a little nubbin, but okay. This is 207 in the Precious Minerals. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, it's got micro glitter in it. It's the Precious Minerals magnetic, or is it just beautiful? Okay, we have glitter pack, star power. That's pretty. We have another glitter pack. This is moon crystal. Looks like brain fart. The shards. Shards. No. Okay, fine. Oh, all right. I like glitter. And this one is Piccolo. Awesome. Piccolo. I used to play the piccolo and the flute and the piano. So pretty. Two orange sticks. I mean, this is a 2 scoop, so. And 2 Luxe brush wipes. There is no way I'm going to get this stuff back in the box the way they had it. Bubble gum gel clear and bubble gum gel pink, and I love the little cauldrons. Two aprons. Stickers. We've got stickers. Charm nail stickers. Butterflies. Oh, those are so neat. Those are neat. I like these. Nail foils. Nail foils. And this box is unknown. It is unknown. It is box. We'll call that box number 1. This is box number 2, apparently. Some silver lace. Okay, I'll show those. I'll show those in a minute. Sorry, I'm trying to blind you with the red here. Some pretty colors in that. Ooh. There's a silver hollow lace over here. It looks like an animal print. Oh, these are like perfect for galaxy nails. Look at that. Oh my gosh. More flowers. They look like they are clear back, so they're individual flowers. You can trim them out and decorate as you like. Some more silver lace hollow. Oh, these are pretty. Oh yeah, I wanted to pull these out, get a better look. Oh yeah, these are silver clear lace. Oh, that's so pretty. I am all thumbs when it comes to this stuff right now. And I've got 2 my candy boxes. And they're both metal. My daughter's like, okay. There we go. A little part. There we go. Dish that comes in it. All of you are born princess. Your own magical nail story has just begun. Princess nail fantasies are now happening in your life. Let your pink out. And there are 2 of these. Do you want one of them? You're not going to speak while that's running. Okay, I'll set it aside for you. She will go through this anyway. Thanks. Oh, all right. Let's get some gloves in the I still have to do something with this. The wet gel in my hands. Tori is trying to exit stage left quietly. Turn around, you're like creeping backwards. Not a bad haul. And see, I was already sticking stuff back in here. Whew. As I'm going to do the second unboxing. Well, the first box that arrived, I was so sick when I got it, but I wanted to unbox it and show everybody what I got, the cool stuff. So, I will redo that one and repost it in a little while. Thanks. Bye.